Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sharkoon, AK2 RGB and MK2 micro-ATX cases. So friend, the Sharkoon has announced front panel that is both low-key and stylish. The AK2 RGB doesn't miss out a good looks and at the same time the perfect PC for either gaming, office and multimedia, and with its modern compatibility space for large piece of hardware and room for up to 11 fans, and this case offer plenty of potential for performance whatever the application. And thanks to low-key design and tempered glass side panel, the AK2 RGB is ideal for putting the focus on installed hardware inside, and two 120 fans are already pre-installed in the AK2 RGB, and one fan behind the front panel and one RGB illuminated PWM fan for rear panel, and up to 11 fans will find room in the case. Even water cooling enthusiasts will be happy with AK2. S2 radiator with up to 360 can be simultaneously operated if required, and to connect a wide range of mobile and peripheral devices, the AK2 RGB has a modern TRRS and USB Type-C port at the front of top panel, and in addition, a controller provides the connection and operation of up to 4 RGB LED components, and for PWM fans in the AK2 RGB can accommodate large graphics card of up to 41 cm, while mounting support is provided by a graphics card holder with rubber surface. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.